Okay, Mr. Rops again, and second word problem for simultaneous equations. A submarine can travel at 25 knots with the wind. So if here's my submarine's velocity, if it goes with the wind's velocity is a little bit more, they add together. Okay, and together they are 25. This is the submarine, and this is the wind. If the submarine is here, and the wind blows against it, they're really only going this far here, and that is 16 knots. So if I say S equals my subspeed, speed, and W equals my wind speed, well, if I take my S and I add my wind to it, together they're going to be 25. If I take my wind and I subtract my wind, because it's pushing against it, you can't go as fast, it is equal to 16. And this idea here is something that you learn later on of vectors, and this is a simplified version of vectors. If I take my two equations, this time I'm going to just add them up because it's set up so nicely. W's are opposite signs already, same coefficients, elimination. So add the equations to S equals 41. And so S equals 41 over 2. Which if I put that as a decimal, that's 20.5. I can do that faster in my head, which is 20.5. Now finding my wind speed, S plus W equals 25. Well, if I put 20.5 in here, it's 25. Subtract over that, and I get W is 25 minus 20.5, which I believe is 4.5. So, sub speed is 20.5 knots. Don't forget my units. And my wind speed is 4.5 knots. And that's the end of this one. Good luck with your homework.